Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, I'm Sam and welcome to the Southern Rustic. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for chicken fried steak and gravy. Now this is a Southern classic. My grandmother made this recipe, passed it down to me, and I make it for my family. And I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. It's super simple. Very few ingredients. I did update it a little bit, add a little bit more spice to it, because back when she was growing up, they really didn't have their hands on a lot of spices and stuff. Majority of the time it was just the basics. So I kind of updated it just a little. So I'm just going to show you everything that you're going to need, and let's just get right on into this recipe, guys. Okay guys, so we're just going to start from the left to the right. And I'm just going to go over everything you're going to need. We're going to start off with these steaks. So first off, you're going to need milk, eggs, hot sauce, oil and butter, flour. You're going to need seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt and pepper. And then you're going to need just your steaks. Now I have just 4 cube steaks here. And for the gravy, you're going to need flour, salt, pepper, and milk. Super simple, guys. So let's just get right on into it. But first things first, we're going to take our oil and add it to our pan and let this start getting hot. Okay guys, hopefully you can see everything. What we're going to do first is mix our dry ingredients, and we're just going to add in our seasoning to our flour. And just give that a mix. Now we're going to mix up our wet ingredients. Now in here I just have milk and eggs. I've got 2 eggs. And I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of hot sauce. You can add as little or as much as you like. And then just give this a mix. Okay guys, what we're going to do first is we're going to season our meat with a little bit of salt and pepper on both sides. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take our cube steak and dip it into the flour. Make sure it's well coated. Zip it back, dip it into the egg. Put it back into the flour. Get it nice and coated. Shake off the excess, put it back into the egg wash, and right back into the flour. And then just set them on a plate. Now I'm going to finish this up and I'll meet you right back here. Okay guys. My oil is up to temperature. I've got my cube steaks here, and I've got a paper lined plate back here. We're just going to add in 2 at a time so we don't overcrowd the pan. And then you're just going to let these cook for about 2 minutes on each side. Okay guys, I'm done, and I've just got my chicken steaks over here. They're resting, and I have drained out most of my grease, and I just left about 1/4 cup in there. What I'm going to do now is just add in my flour, my salt and pepper. And turn my heat to low. We'll do medium low. And then we're just going to whisk this together. to make a paste. Add in a little bit more oil if you need it. And I'm going to cook this for about 2 minutes or so, just to cook out the the flour taste. Alright, and now I'm going to slowly add in my milk, just a little at a time. Just keep whisking until it is smooth and it is thick. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes and this is the consistency that you're looking for. It's thick but not too thick. It's still quite pourable. It's going to thicken as it cools. So now is a good time to go in and check your seasoning and add more salt and pepper if you need it. Add a little bit more salt. It's good on pepper. And then just give this a whisk. And as you can see, it's starting to cool. And it's thickening up rather nicely. And that's it guys, all you got to do now is just plate it and serve it. Okay you guys, so I've got it all done, I've got it plated, I've already took my photos, so this is what it looks like. You can see I've just got it paired with mashed potatoes and okra. This is the photo plate, so it's a little bit more than what I'm going to eat, but I'm going to go ahead and give this a try for you guys. That crust is nice and crispy. And it is completely cooked through. It doesn't take long to cook a cube steak, so nice and crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, absolutely delicious. Now I will leave the recipe link down in my description box below so you can go check that out, and all of my other recipes as well. It will take you straight to my blog. So, and they're all completely printable. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that little red subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.